Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the English class. I hope you all are happy and fine. So dear students, let us do a quick recap of what we did in our previous class. So as you all remember, in our last class we have started Module 4 from our English workbook. And what are the things that we discussed in our last class? First, we discussed I listen, word dictation. And second, we discussed regarding the vocabulary and what the topics we have discussed regarding in this vocabulary part, names of fruits and vegetables. And I hope you have done your works in your books. So today we are going to learn a new topic that is called subject pronouns. Okay, subject pronouns. So what is the subject pronouns? But before learning about subject pronouns, you should clarify and you should know properly what do you mean by pronouns. So what is it? So let us learn about pronouns first. So pronouns, P-R-O-N-O-U-N-S, pronouns. So now what is the meaning of pronoun? What is pronoun? So pronoun is words that is used in place of a noun. So the words that is used in the place of a noun is called as pronouns. So now I will give you a few of the examples of pronoun. Here you can see I, we, you, he, she, they or it. So these are some of the examples of pronoun. That means I refers to I. Next is we. We means some people around us along with me. Two people or three people along with me. We. The next one is you, telling to the person behind you. The next one is he. He means refers to a boy. She refers to a girl. The next one is they. They refers to a number of people is there. So we can say number of people are there. So we can say they. And lastly, it. So it is used for the neuter gender, non-living things, that is called it, or sometimes it is used for these animals also. So now dear students, before now, let us discuss one example. So the example is Rohan plays football. Rohan is a happy boy. Now here, what has been repeated? Rohan plays football. Rohan is a happy boy. So two words has been repeated. Here, the Rohan, it is a noun, naming word Rohan. The main person, the subject of the sentence, Rohan plays football. Now, in the place of Rohan and Rohan, these two words are repeated. So, we can, by using the word he, the pronoun he, so we can write it like this. Rohan plays football, full stop. He is a happy boy. So let us not repeat Rohan twice. So in the place of Rohan, we can use the pronoun. We can use the pronoun he here. So he is a happy boy. So dear students, the repetition of naming words. So wherever there is a repetition of naming words, so we are using the pronouns. So let us see in the book. Now before that, let us see what do you mean by subject pronouns. Now subject pronouns. So pronouns that take the place of naming words that do the main action in sentences. So subject pronouns are the pronouns that are use or take the place of naming words like Rohan. Rohan is the naming word in the sentence. So in the place of Rohan, so it takes place subject pronoun, so it takes the place of he. So now it is the subject pronoun. Let us go towards our book and read it. Here you can see in this page it has been mentioned subject pronoun. Let us see. Read the following sentences. Ruhi and her mother go to the market. Ruhi and her mother buys clothes. Now two things has been repeated. Ruhi and her mother. These are repeated twice. So what we can write in this place? Ruhi and her mother go to the market. They buy clothes. Why the pronoun they is used here? Why the pronoun they is used here? Because it refers to two persons. Ruhi and her mother. That means it is they. Now the next one, Rohan plays football. The same example I have given on the board. Rohan is a happy boy. Now Rohan plays football. He is a happy boy. So why it is he? Because Rohan refers to a boy. The next one, the bus is big. The bus moves fast. Now it will be, the bus is big. It moves fast. So bus, it is a non-living thing, a neuter gender. So it is used. So it moves fast. Now we use the words they, he, it in the place of the repeated naming words, and these words are called as pronouns. Pronouns are the words that we use in the place of naming words. Same thing has been repeated that I have already mentioned on the board. So here we can see subject pronouns are pronouns that take the place of naming words, people, places. So it can be, naming words can be people, places, animals and things that do the main action in a sentence. So this naming word, he is doing the main action in the sentences. So Rohan plays football. Who is playing football? So this is Rohan. The naming word, Rohan is playing football. Now here it has been beautifully given this pronouns. You can see I we use while talking about oneself. We talking about oneself and others. While you talking to someone else and also to a group of people, also we can say you. The next one is he. It refers to boy, man or any male animal. She, a girl, woman or female animal. The next one is they. While talking about a group of people, that means many people, they. And then lastly, it. It can be an animal or non-living thing, as I have already discussed it here. So my dear students, I hope the conception of this pronouns and subject pronoun is clear to you. So next, you can see, read the subject pronouns below. One and many. So I, we, you can be you only. He, she or it can be they. Now let us move towards exercise 3.2. 3.1. Let us discuss it. Underline the subject pronouns in the sentences given below. The first one is given here. It is a new dress. So it is a new dress. So here, which is the subject pronoun? It. So it refers to subject pronoun. So it refers to a dress. Beautiful dress. So it is a subject pronoun. The next one is you will all get prizes. So which is the subject pronoun here? Which one is this? Yes, you. Number 3, I have many friends. Who has many friends? I. So I refers to a subject pronoun. The next one, please students, you kindly underline it. Next one, 4 number, she plays football. So what is this? Who is the subject pronoun here? She. 5th one is they live together. It will be they. And lastly, we are eating breakfast. So here it will be we. So I hope it is clear to you. Now let us proceed towards exercise 3.2. It is very easy. You can do it by yourself. Still, let us discuss. Match the pictures to the correct subject pronouns. So here we have to match. I have already matched here. So number 1, a boy. Number 1, it will be he. Students, I am just telling you the answer. You take out your book and please take out your pencil and also your scale or a ruler to just use it here. Please match this column with the help of your scale. Number 1, he. Number 2, it is the book, so it will be it. Number 3, 2 people are there, so it will be we. Number 4, it is a girl, so it is she. 5th one is showing towards ourselves, oneself, so it will be I. And lastly, 3 people are there, so it will be they. So is not it? It is very easy, is not it? So you have understood it. Now please turn your book, page and exercise 3.3. Now exercise 3.3, what has been given? Fill in the blanks with the correct subject pronouns from the options given in brackets. So it is very easy for us. Already the options are given here. Tammy, Ahmed and Sonu went to the park. Dash had a fun day. So it is given they. Because why it is they? Because 3 people are there. Tammy, Ahmed and Sonu. Next one is, can I have a sandwich? It is a question. Can I have a sandwich? Dash. Am very hungry. So it will be I. I am very hungry. So please tick mark in the I. The next one, 3 number. That elephant has a trunk. Also big ears. So that elephant has a trunk. So the elephant, it is an animal. So what will be used? It. It also has big ears. Next one is 4 number. Anita and I are going out. So it will be we are going to the market, because here it refers to Anita and I. So we. The next one is Polly is a good girl. So it refers to a girl. So it will be she goes to school every day. And lastly, 6th number, Raju and Raghu likes apples. So it will be they eat one every day. So it is very easy, students. You can try. So next exercise 3.4, you will be doing it as your homework. So I will assign this particular exercise for your homework. So students, I hope it is clear for you. Subject pronouns, what is pronouns, what is subject pronouns, okay, examples of pronouns, where to use the pronouns, all the conceptions are clear to you. So what are the things that we have discussed today? First, we have discussed what is the pronoun, okay, the definition of pronoun. The pronouns are the word that is used in the place of a noun. And then the examples I, we, you, he, she and they we have used. And after that, we have discussed the subject pronouns and discussed few of the exercises from the book. So that's all for today. So please study this pronouns or subject pronouns at home. Read the book properly and do the given exercises in the book. So till then, be happy, be safe and bye bye.